Make a journey stick. Next time you go for a nature walk, why not remember it by creating your very own journey stick made from items that you found on the way. Remember to ask a supervising adult for permission before you pick anything up. To make a journey stick, you will need a large stick to use as a base, the items that you found on your walk. In this case, I've used some leaves and some flowers and some other sticks, some scissors, and then something to bind it all together, such as a cup of pipe cleaner, ribbons, or even a bit of coloured string. To start making your journey stick, first take some ribbon, cut a small section off it and tie it around the base of your stick. Then take one of your larger leaves and thread it through the bottom of the stick. Wrap it round the core of the branch. Then take some more ribbon, cutting a strip off, and tying it to the top of the branch to secure the leaf. You may want to get an adult to help you with the cutting and the tying if you find it difficult. Now the fun can really start, and you can start adding some of the items that you found on your journey by threading it through the leaves to secure it into place. Keep adding all the bits and pieces that you found on your journey to build up the core of your branch. Once you have everything in place, you might want to secure it again with some pipe cleaners or some coloured string just to really finish off your journey stick. Alternatively, why not draw what you saw on your nature walk and create a pictorial journey stick? You will need a strip of cardboard, strips of card in colours of your choice, white paper, scissors, don't forget to ask an adult for help, sticky tape or double-sided tape, a pencil, and some felt tip pens. Using pens and pencils, draw what you saw on your walk on the paper. You can even draw what the weather was like to remind you of your journey. Using your scissors, cut out your drawings. You can stick your pictures to coloured card to give them a bright background. Add a strip of double-sided tape to the strip of cardboard, or use rolled up bits of sticky tape instead. Then arrange your pictures onto your journey stick however you like.